Good morning class 5. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter 4, Little Woman. This story is an extract from the book Little Woman. This story is set in America during the American Civil War in 1861. The story follows the lives of four sisters, how they grow from being little girls to women. It traces their lives, their hardships, their joys and sorrows. So this is in a drama, and before starting we will see the characters of this drama. Meg, Beth, Joe, Amy, Mrs. March, also known as Marmee. This is she is the mother of these four girls, and today we will start scene 1. The four girls are in a living room. They all look mournful. There is a Christmas tree indicating that Christmas is approaching. So the girls look mournful in the first scene because Mrs. March, their mother, had told them not to buy any presents for Christmas that year. The country was in a state of war, and according to the mother, it was unfair to enjoy Christmas while the soldiers were facing hardships. Joe, grumbling, Christmas won't be Christmas without any presents this year. So Joe is saying that Christmas is incomplete without Christmas presents. Meg, it is dreadful to be poor. So it is very bad or unpleasant to be poor. Amy, stamping her foot on the ground, it is not just fair for some girls to have everything and others to have nothing. So according to Amy, it is not fair that some girls' life is fulfilled with all the happiness and joys, and some girls have nothing in their lives. Beth, contentedly, we have Marmee and father, and we have one another. So Beth is saying, but we have mother and father, and we have the support of each other to share our feelings, joys and sorrows. This brings a smile on the faces of all the girls. The smiles suddenly turn into sad faces as Joe reminds them of something. Joe sadly, oh, but we shall not have father for a long time yet. The war is far from over. Now Joe is saying that, but father is not here for a long time because their father was in the war. Meg, holding Joe's hands, you know why Marmee said we should not have presents this Christmas? It is going to be a cold and hard winter, and so many of our men are at war. Will it be fair if we spend so much money and celebrate Christmas? The least we can do is gladly make a little sacrifice. Here, sacrifice meaning is giving up something valuable. So Meg is saying here, you know why Marmee, why mother said that we should not have gifts this Christmas, because it is going to be very cold and hard winter, and so many of our men are in the war. It is not fair to spend lots of money and celebrate Christmas. This can be not that much of enjoyable festival because of the war. Now children, come to next page, page number 46. Joe, Meg, we only have $1 each. How will saving this dollar help the army? I can't expect Marmy or you to give me a present, but I do want this book. Can't I even buy just that for myself? So Joe says that they only have $1 each, and she could not understand how saving the dollar would help the army. She also said that since Mrs. March, their mother, had not told them anything about saving the money, they could spend it for themselves. They can buy something for themselves. Beth, oh dear, I did want to buy some music sheets. Mine are quite torn. So, Beth is saying, oh dear, I wanted to buy some music sheets because Beth, old music sheets are torn. Emmy, I want to buy a new set of coloring pencils. I need them badly. So, Emmy want to buy coloring pencils. Joe, look everyone. Marmy has not told us anything about saving the money we have. So, we should buy ourselves the gifts we want and be happy. Now Joe says that look everyone, Marmy has not told us anything about saving the money, so we can buy gifts for ourselves and be happy by giving gifts to ourselves. Meg, in a soft but unsure voice, I too have been working all year long. Teaching those dreadful kids is no easy task after all. I am just longing to have something nice as a reward. Meg taught children at a school and she worked so hard all year long teaching those children, and she wanted to buy a nice gift for herself. Joe, teaching the children can't be half as bad as being locked in a house with a nagging old woman. Nagging means complaining. Complaining old woman who is never happy with anything I do. Taking care of the old lady makes me want to just fly out of the window. So Joe is saying to Meg that teaching is not that much hard. How much hard Joe work is to take care of a old woman who always complain, who is never happy with Joe's work and always complain. Sometimes Joe is so much fed up that she wanted to just fly out of the window and went away from there. Beth, it's wrong to fret. I know, fret. Fret means worrying and not being able to relax. But I do sometimes wish my hands would not get so hard with all the washing and cleaning. It makes it hard for me to play the piano. Beth does all the household chores and she also play piano, but by washing and cleaning her hands have become so hard that she can't play the piano nicely. Amy, I don't think any of you suffers as I do. I am plagued by girls who mock you for every little thing. They make fun of you if you have not done your lessons, if you are wearing a shabby dress. Shabby means in poor condition due to regular use. So the dresses which Emmy is wearing sometimes are very shabby, or even if they think you don't have a nice nose. Emmy. So Emmy is saying that I don't think that all of your works are so hard as mine, that the girls always trouble and distress me in all little things. They make fun of me, and for a little things they annoy me, for my dress, for my shabby dress, for my nose, for everything the girls distress and trouble me. Meg, let's stop bickering. Girls, we do have work. We earn for ourselves and are quite jolly. So, bickering here means arguing about things that are not important. At last, Meg is saying that girls, stop complaining. We all do our work sincerely and nicely. We earn for ourselves and we are quite happy. Then all girls hug each other and go off to do their works. Children, scene 2 we will do in our next video. Thank you.